I'm going to have to yell for them right now. I'm going to turn my microphone off for a second.
Okay. So 2.2
And
minus
Starly texted and said she's getting her computer set up.
divided by 3.3. Oh, okay. So I'm getting the answer 2, but I don't know. That just seems like so, I don't know, weird. Too normal of a number. But
So what one are we on?
All right. Sorry, I can't find my calculator, and I don't know where my phone is either. My life.
Google has a good calculator.
Google does? Oh.
Yeah, I use their calculator all the time.
Oh, okay. Let me Google it. Just what do I
Better
Google?
than the iPhone
Calculator?
one. Huh?
What do I Google? Calculator?
Yeah, just go on Google and put calculator.
Okay. Oh, yeah. There it is. Awesome. Okay. 2.2.
What problem are you guys on?
we're just doing number 3. It's just the first problem that we.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Starly.
Hi. All right.
So I got 2, but that seems too easy. I don't know if I did it right.
Let's see. I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I think it is because 2.2
Have a set code.
divided by 1.1. Yeah. That's what I got.
Okay.
Did you put it into the computer? Is that how you solved this one?
No,
Or
we
did you
just
do
did it.
formula?
We just did it by hand.
The formula one? Was it the
Yeah.
T equal?
Yeah.
Yep, the t equals 2.2 minus 0 over 3.3 divided by the square root of 9.
Is that the T equals X minus MO or no? D minus O?
No.
Mhm.
It's the D bar minus 0.
D minus 0, is that right? Okay. I
Yeah.
just have to write this for myself or I get waking. Okay. Equals D. You don't have to wait for me. You guys can just move on. I'll just sit here and listen to the answers.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
You're usually the one that knows what we're doing.
No.
Or you can go back and you can be behind us saying,
I'll
"Oh
just be
no, I
behind.
got this."
Yeah, I'll just be behind.
Okay. All right. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan.
2 minus 0 over 3.3.
Okay. So is this just putting it in to the applet?
I don't know because it doesn't say. So like if you look down at the net at question 5, that's giving you data to put into that. Oh, the applet. I didn't ever use the applet.
I didn't either, but it says at the top that we would need it. So I'm wondering if, because it says the probability
Oh, yep.
let's see, of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is.
Did you get 2 for 3?
Yeah.
Yep.
So if the
Okay.
probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis
Test
test.
statistics. Oh, well, uses probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test round.
The neighbor's camper doors open.
No, you can't. You need to go put a bow on.
I don't know.
Go find one.
How am I supposed to find one?
So do we just put the probability up in the top?
Well, I don't know if that's the t-score. It says that's his
could
test
we use
statistic.
Do we use the T application, the T, whatever you call it? The T thing that they gave us? Where is that? Did I save it as a bookmark? Please tell me I did that. Oh, I'm in Firefox. I should go to Chrome. The application, not the P probability, but the T probability one. Is that what you're talking about, Christy?
Well, I think you just have to put it into the, it says the test statistic is 0.043. So if you put that in the z-score and then you only go higher, then it shows a probability of 0.484.
Right. I think you're right. I did see something about that on there. about
I
using
remember.
Applet, but I never did it.
Yeah, neither did I. But that, I mean, because it tells us it tells us that his test statistic is 0.04, and we're supposed to get the probability. But then no, because it says use this probability to determine the p-value. But see, I don't know how to get the p-value by itself. I haven't been able to figure that out.
I haven't either. That's why I'm going to see it.
Is there a formula or?
Isn't it just p-value minus, I don't know, hold on, let me look at last week's thing.
Because it calculates it in there. They just keep saying use SPSS, which is fine. But not if you don't have all the information, then you have to figure it out.
Right.
Probability of obtaining a statistic.
Because everything I have written down by p-value says use the applet.
Use probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. So that's the t, but do we just put it into the t probability? Sorry, my computer phased out. My computer's being weird. Do we just put it into the t probability thing? Into the t applet? Is that what we do?
That's what I did.
Okay.
Just you're talking about the probability applet, right?
Yeah, for the t one though, right? Not the normal one, right? The Irish
Oh, I don't
blue one, the green and orange one.
What?
Oh,
Where's that?
I don't think I have that one.
When I was doing the homework, and they were like, download this and save this on like one
I
of
haven't
the.
done my
this week?
homework yet.
So it's just like the normal probability applet, you know, where like z-scores, except for you put in t-scores,
Oh, I see.
and then
The
it gives
t
you the top.
distribution.
So I could email it to you here on your emails.
Do that.
Because then here, let's see here.
Well, where do you download it from? Is that link on the homework?
I don't know.
It is on the homework.
Do you see it? Do you see it somewhere?
Yeah, hold on. I saw the link. I just got to click on it.
Why isn't it in the?
I have so many screens up right now.
Yeah.
See where I-
uh-huh.
Let's see.
Plus my.
Okay, well, I just emailed you guys the link to it. So if you want to check your email. I mean, I guess-
Awesome. Thanks, Starly.
And so then I think, because isn't that the same thing as normal? That would be if we put the t-score in there, then that gives us the probability.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah. Yep.
But it
Then
doesn't.
it says use this probability. Like, so is that the probability? That point?
0.904.
The 0.0403 is that because it says use this probability to determine the
That's your
p-value.
t-score. That's your test statistic. I think
Okay.
that's the t-score, isn't it? Yeah, because you're supposed to
That's what
determine
it says.
the p-value, and isn't the p-value the top number always?
Yeah.
Isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh man, I don't.
So you put in 2 for t-score?
So for the t, I put in 0.0403 because that was the
Oh.
test statistic. That's what they got.
Right. Okay.
But then we only need the right side because we're just looking at if he can get it higher then.
Hey, can I call you right back? I just have to do this homework with my class.
So
I'm
is it-
thinking the probability
It's
is
still on
0.485
Wait,
Okay.
where'd you get 0.485?
at the
because that's
top.
at the top.
Okay, wait. Mine was
Because she highlighted only the upper because we needed the.
mine says 0.907.
But are you highlighting just the right tail, not the left tail?
Oh, because is one of them like minus and decrease or something?
Well, it says the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic
point.
is.
Is greater than. So it'd be greater than that. Oh, that's so true. So then it'd
That's-
be
that's
the
fine.
0.485. That's what you got? Okay.
But is that right? Because the alternative hypothesis is actually greater or less than.
You know what? Sure.
If you look at the
Well, the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's testing is this. Use the probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. Because he's looking at greater. His test statistic values. I think so. I think if not, we'll go back through. I mean, that could have been the wrong thing to use. I don't know. That was just a guess.
well, that makes sense though.
There's nothing up here that would be able to use it, so.
That's the only. I think that makes more sense than that other applet.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So
Data file. Thank goodness it's on this test. I'm like, oh, that was such a pain. To have to-
All right.
yeah. So chapter 1, data A1.
Okay, answer the next 6 questions. Perform a paired sample t-test. Be sure that the test does group 1 minus 2. Okay.
Someone
So
wants
do-
to share
What's
for
this
We're
one
me?
going-
called? Like 1,000 brought up. Is it called Chapter 12 data? That's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
Chapter 12, data A1.
I still have like 100 brought up from my homework yesterday. Was it group 2 minus group 1? Is that what they said to do?
It
Group
says
one
group
minus group
1
two.
minus group 2.
1 minus 2.
Yeah.
So
One.
can we walk through that? So is that a compare means or a descriptive?
Okay, so you go to transform
And
and you go to compute variable.
Wait, are you on descriptive or compare?
I'm on transform. I never even
Transform.
went to anything. Transform was like before analyze. It's the first.
Transform. Compute variable. Okay. Yeah,
And-
I just watched this.
Okay, yeah. And then group 1, well, first you name it, right?
Yep.
And then,
I name mine difference.
yeah, and then
What
group
did you
1
put? Target variable, is that difference?
minus, yeah, group 2. Group 1 minus 2, right? I already forgot. Is that what
Yeah.
this? Okay.
And then you just take them over to you put
Right.
those over in the numeric expression.
All these values. So the mean.
So then when you analyze, you're only pulling, are we doing descriptive statistics then?
1 sample statistics.
Yeah, descriptive, or no, yeah, so you go to
Oh,
T-test all the way at the
compare
bottom.
means and then the one
Or is it-
sample test.
isn't it the paired sample t-test? Or one sample t-test?
You do the one sample
One sample.
t-test. Yeah.
Okay, and just pull the difference over.
Yeah, it would have only been a difference if we used a different null. But since it's always 0, like either way, I've noticed that the information is the same.
Okay,
So did you guys
Okay.
get 0.407 for your T-score?
yeah, that's what it says.
Okay.
Would someone be able to screen share for me? I can't have
Yeah,
them
I
both up.
can.
Thank you. I feel helpless right now.
All right, let's see.
So then the p-value, and we are doing it, it's two-tailed, right?
Statistics. I'm still on this one. I got distracted. Options, cancel. Okay.
And if it's two-tailed,
Oh, wait. Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. I didn't press compare means. Save contents. No. Okay. Analyze, descriptive. No. Analyze, explore. Wait, how do I compare means? 1 sample t-test. Okay. And just the difference, right? That's all we're comparing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so my T I got 0.407.
Okay, and then on
Sorry.
the p-value, it's a two-tailed test, right? So we're going 0.689.
yep.
So the p-value, oh, what's the? Okay, so the alpha is 0.10.
Wait, the what?
So we have to compare our p-value to the alpha, right?
What's the alpha? What?
The
So-
10 point level of significance.
Oh, level of significance.
So it's larger. You need to go find Emma.
So our p-value is larger.
So we failed to reject, right?
Yeah.
Zero. So if our,
We have sufficient evidence that the mean of the difference is greater than 0.
yeah,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because we do.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to the other chart.
Okay. Jackie, are you on?
Yeah.
Are you all right?
I just can't bring up
Jackie,
SBS
do you
when
ever
I'm
want, like,
broadcasting.
me to do the video and so you can actually like practice this? Do you ever feel like this puts you back since you're always doing the video? Like we could take
No,
turns.
because the SPS isn't what is hard for me. It's the wording that's hard for me.
Oh
So I
yeah.
understand how to run this program.
Okay, I'll screen share this one again when I pull it.
Is it 1 minus 2 again?
Yep.
I guess that's one good thing about being with my generation is I had computers every year of school. So I know how to work a computer really well,
Yeah, it's true.
but the wording is what gets me off.
Jackie, what are you saying? Just kidding.
Not going, you guys aren't old.
With my generation? What?
Well, I'm probably only
That's
almost
how we all like
millennial,
the
right?
same age. I think
I
we're
don't know.
all
I'm
the same age.
I'm
Pretty much.
35.
30.
I'm 38.
I'm 22 or 23.
Oh yeah, you're way up. She
You
really-
really definitely knew about that, the computers, and that's really true. That's true.
It is true. Oh my
How old are
God.
you, Starly?
In years.
Starly, how old are you?
30.
Oh, I'm the oldest. That's really bad.
No, it's not.
My SPSS just like stopped working. Ah!
Okay, so now wait, what are we supposed to even find? I got distracted and I started doodling. My brain. Oh, I'm just burnt out of math. I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
Okay, so which is greater, the number or the degree? Well, obviously it's the number, because it's the number always is -1 to get the degrees of freedom, right?
Okay, somebody, yeah, sorry, I can't share my screen yet because my SPSS stopped working. I don't know what's happening.
the number is definitely greater. It's the number. That's the answer. Because the DF is always the 1 minus it. So
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
sharing my screen, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing, because can you see it?
No. Oh wait, maybe. Yeah.
it's probably because
Okay.
you're not from the computer age, Christy, that you wouldn't know.
I'm sorry.
No,
Hey, I don't get
I'm
offended
not
by
mocking
that.
you,
I
Jackie.
think
I'm mocking Christy. You're good.
Okay. So question 10, the p-value is 0.001.
Is this a one-sided test?
Well, no,
Is it
because the
two-sided?
alternative is
Okay, yeah, it's two-sided.
greater or less.
yeah, it's two-sided.
So I got 0.689. Did I bring up the wrong thing again? Hold on. Did I do it
No,
wrong?
that's the last one. That's the last data set. Can you, if
Oh.
you scroll down,
Okay, analyze, compare means. I'll do this again. Sample test. We're on B1, right? Yeah. Okay, going over. Okay. Okay. You got 0.001. Yep, that's what I got.
Okay, so what is it? Sorry.
0.001.
I'm still trying to get mine pulled back up.
can you see mine?
Yeah.
I love that he thinks he's so old now, Jimmy. Good God, I don't have to, I'm not a baby no more.
Okay. So what was our level of significance? 0.01?
01.
So we reject.
Well, it's less than though, 0.001.
So we reject the null. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. Okay. Greater than 0.
Try another alternative hypothesis. This one you
Increase or
keep the
decrease.
same level of significance. P-value increase or decrease. Wait, this means that we have to apply the concept.
Right, because if it's 0.002 as a two-tailed, this makes it a one-tailed, so we have to divide by 2, which is probably going to be pretty close to less than 0 or 0.
So this one you use this.
The p-value is going to decrease because we have to divide it by 2.
It's a one-sided test. Good point. Yep. That's very true. Okay, 13. What decision did you make? So if the p-value decreases, we still reject the null. Right?
Right.
Am I thinking right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Based on your response from the previous, what conclusion do you make?
So sufficient evidence that there, wait,
Say that the mean,
we have sufficient evidence that there is a difference.
that there is a mean difference between, yep,
Okay,
Right. It's the third one, right?
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Did you guys see that we have a test coming up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Was that in this class? That was, right? Like,
And she said it's did she say it was comprehensive? So it'll
No.
have a little bit of last test and
that was the medical one. Because that we
Oh,
just
oh.
talked about that, saying that was comprehensive.
Oh, I was like, I did not read that. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was our terminology class.
that's right. Okay, good. Okay. As we have seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis and generally the
This is the smallest value.
p-value. The less, well,
What? They're both of those because you divide it by 2, but I guess.
maybe we wouldn't, maybe it depends on the problem because it really depends on what the alternative hypothesis is, right? And what the t-score is.
Yeah.
Yeah, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? Yeah, it's either not enough information or I would think it's less than 0 because that would mean that, if that one's true, then it's going to be less than 0.
Then it-
So
Yeah.
I'm not sure. One of us click one of us click the other, right?
Okay.
Or should we all just click the same thing?
I'll
For now,
click less than 0.
I'll do not enough information.
I got 9
Okay.
enough info.
Determine the 95% confidence interval, the mean difference between the two groups. Group 1 minus. Okay, are we still talking about B? Probably, right? Or they
Yeah.
switched?
Yeah.
Okay. Of the difference. Okay.
So what do we, how do we do this one?
This is the Explore, Descriptive Statistics Explore. And then you put the difference over in the dependent list and you make sure that it says 95. You want percentiles. And let's just get a graph too, just to ask for a histogram later, right?
Yeah.
Because
Okay,
it's-
so sorry, say that again. So we have analyze, descriptive statistics, explore.
yeah, and then
Then
we put the difference over into the dependent list.
make sure it's 95.
Yeah, and then you're on your plots. You do histogram and normality plots with test, just in case it tells us to look at like a Q plot.
Right, okay.
You go open it. Okay. Okay. So now, what are the questions? What is the point estimate for this? Oh, so the point estimate is the mean, right? So the mean
Which is the 11.95.
11.955. Are we supposed to round it?
It doesn't say.
11 point. Let's just try that then. Is there anywhere? It's usually to the third, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
955.
11.95, right?
Yeah, 955.
Where are you getting 955 from?
My
Oh,
whole-
that top one? Okay. I was just looking at the histogram right there. But... Okay. 11.955.
Oh man, I don't. Okay.
So to get the margin of error, we have to take the T star.
T times the SP in the over the N, right?
Yeah.
So our T. Okay. So then we have to go get a test statistic. Is it on here? Is it on this thing?
I don't see it on here. I think we need to go up and,
You can run one though.
Mine is right above here.
is it?
Yeah, the T is 3.737. 3.737 times the standard deviation, which is 15.003 divided by the square root of 22.
You want the coffee?
Let's check.
With Papa?
Okay, what did you get?
0, I'm slow. I'm still going.
I know you're good.
904. Okay. 15.003 divided by. Times 3.
Hold on.
Did you get 11.95? Wait, did you just get 11.95?
Well, that's the mean.
Oh, wait, that was the margin of error. Wait, what? Did I do it wrong?
That doesn't sound right.
Did you do it?
Yeah, but I didn't get it. I got 262, so something's wrong. with
Okay.
mine.
So the square 4 point, okay, the standard deviation, it is, maybe, you know what, maybe I need to not be lazy and go back through and maybe we'll get information if I actually do a t-test, huh?
I'm having problems. Sorry.
You're good.
Well,
We're just
because
dying here without a third opinion and a fourth opinion, that's all. One sample t-test, just the difference. Okay. Oh, no, those numbers are right. Okay. So then it's t times, oh, wait, are we supposed to give the margin of error? Okay, we'll do this again.
Yeah, but we still don't have that SD. Like, you know,
The S
before when we,
the standard deviation, isn't it?
yeah, but when we did that other one, it was actually listed as SD. Like you could see, maybe not. Because
I hate how they're all listed as different things every week. It drives me nuts.
Agreed.
yeah.
What is A?
Simple test.
And what is
Mary, I'm doing something.
Are you done?
Okay, I just keep getting 11.953 as my margin of error.
Hmm.
That's weird. I'm putting it in. Is it? I'm not putting it in, but I'm doing that equation. Do I think it is?
So let's see. So you're taking 3.737
Uh-huh.
and you're multiplying it by 15.
Yeah, 15.003.
0.003 to the square root of
Over-
22.
Yeah, which is 4.690418.
Which I'm getting 10.789.
If you go 15 divided by that, 15 divided by 4.
The square
see,
root of
I
22.
don't ever put the square root in it. I always solve the square root because my calculator kind of goes weird. I solve the
Oh,
square root
that's
first,
what I do.
write it down, and then I go 15 divided by the number.
Well, let me try that. But I do the square root and I got 10.78. But let me see. So 3.73 times 15.003 divided by what did you say is the square root?
4.69041.
What's our N? Is it 22?
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes up with 11.93. But when I do the actual square root, it is giving me a different number. Try
I
putting in
get
the whole number.
4.69
Now, I
for the
just did
square root.
the square root, and I still got 11.95. Oh, my goodness.
So we're doing.
I did 11.93.
Yeah, 11.93. That's what I keep getting.
Yeah, that's what I got.
0.03. 11.93.
15.003 divided by 4.6. 2.1, okay, and then times 3.73.
Yeah, 11.93.
Yeah.
11.953. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Well, we'll all just put in our answers, and whoever gets it right, we'll go back through, right?
Yeah.
Are we just doing 2 decimal spaces, or do we need to do?
3, right? Does it say anything on the top, like if you don't know, round to the third?
Let me look.
All the
Like,
rest of them.
remember to round to 3 decimal places unless otherwise specified.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. All right. Input the lower bound.
That's 5.303, right?
Yeah.
So what, 5.303?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait, I just messed up my number 16. Oh, so that, never mind. I did not mess up 16. I just got it confused because 16 and 17 are so similar.
Yeah.
Okay. 18, input the lower bound. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. What did you guys get?
That's
18.607.
18.607, right?
Is that what you guys get?
Yeah.
The
Wait, for
lower,
what?
no, the lower bound is 5.303.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you said upper, sorry.
No, you're good. You have to read this just down a minute. Let's see here. Okay.
Sometimes these group meetings, I get more confused.
Yeah, because upper bound.
18.607.
607.
Okay.
Okay, I'm submitting mine.
All right, submit it.
Oh, we missed 4.
Oh. Number 4 or 4 questions?
4 questions. So we missed
Yeah.
number 4. We did miss number 4.
And did you put 485 for that one?
0.485.
Okay.
Yeah,
Number
me
4.
too.
Okay.
That was
Then
that
we-
probability thing.
See, so I was wrong. Okay.
Then we missed number 8.
Oh.
And we missed number 15.
Number 8. Number 15, because you said it was smaller, right? So maybe the answer is not enough.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because I did say it was smaller. So, yeah, maybe it is not enough. Did anyone else submit that did that?
No,
No,
we
I
let you be the guinea pig. Okay, so we missed number 4, number 8, and what else?
8, 15, and 17.
Shoot, that margin of error.
That's-
One we were all confused on.
yeah. Okay, so at least we can do 4.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's look at
probability of
4.
obtaining a test statistic greater than is this. Use this probability to determine the p-value. Okay, I guess p-value is not probability for Jordan's. Is there like a formula where we can just put p-value equals, like p equals and something like that?
I've been looking for a formula for p-value, and I can't
Yeah.
find one.
I don't understand. Other than getting it on the SPSS, I haven't been able to figure out how to get the p-value.
Me either.
So can we import? Can we put information in for any of this? Does this have to do with the information? Number 3. Suppose we have a set paired of data, dx.
So we know that 0.0403 is his test statistic, but then it says use this probability as if we're supposed to know the probability already. So that's where I'm confused on the wording. Because the question makes it sound like we should know what the probability is.
What is the value? Oh, the test statistic is 2. Oh,
Probability of obtaining.
well, maybe we're supposed to put 2 into the applet. No, never mind. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's, which is 2, is 0.043. Probability value for Jordan's hypothesis test. So the probability of getting it greater than 2, right, is 0.043. Okay, that's what it's saying.
Yeah.
This probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. So do we put 2 into it?
Well, so the hypothesis test is that it's either greater or less than 0. Right?
P-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. There was a problem like this on the homework. Like, there's problems like this. Why don't they prep us?
Yeah, I don't know. Can we just skip this one and go to number 8?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me try that instead.
Oh wait, is number 8 is equal to 0, right? Because we're trying to find. Oh wait, never mind.
The alternative hypothesis
The
is
smell is the oven.
greater than 0.
So we found a mouse this morning and it ran up into our oven.
Oh my gosh.
And so I put the oven on self-clean, and so it's like thousands of degrees right now. And I think it's boiling the mouse. I hope it is.
Ew, that's so gross.
I know it's disgusting, but what else do you do? I don't want
You don't touch it, that's for sure.
Yeah, I know the house is really getting smelly. Okay. Like baking an animal.
Does it smell delicious?
No, it doesn't. My dog just keeps complaining how much it stinks. Okay. Okay, so 8. Suppose your hypothesis is instead.
Greater than.
Did we say it's 3? We have sufficient that the mean of the difference is greater? Then it must be the other one. We have sufficient evidence that, right? If it
Is
if
equal
mean of the
to
hypothesis
0?
is this, I mean, it's going to be a greater one. So yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be that bottom one then.
Okay. And then are we gonna try for on 15 not enough info?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna experiment and put this other number in here. on
Which one?
4
For
and
number 17? Oh.
Does anyone want to tell me the answers again?
6. Yeah, I will.
Why Starley's working on that?
0. Okay, 0.0697 would round up to 0.07, right? Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I doubt it's gonna be right, but it's okay. Okay, you ready? You
What
want me to
about
tell you except for the ones that I have? Well, I'll just put it through and see if I get anything right.
What'd you get for 17 though before you?
17.
We still got to figure out the
My
margin of
calculator
error.
kept saying 11.953, so I just left it. So and you guys have said 11.93, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
And I couldn't get my calculator to say that. I just kept mine kept saying 953, so I just left it thinking, well, what if
okay.
one little,
Yeah.
but I don't know. So I'm gonna submit it right now. So
Okay. Sounds good.
we'll see. It's like the scary submission button. Okay, well, I got one right. Let's see. No, 4 is still wrong.
Forrest.
4. 8 is still wrong. Okay, 8 is wrong. So it's neither of those two. It's gotta be. So I guess we're gonna have to reject.
Hey,
Oh, because we failed to reject right there. So if you fail to reject, you have insufficient evidence. Duh, right? If you reject, you have sufficient evidence, right? Is that how it goes?
Yeah, I think so. Now that you mention it.
Difference.
Oh, duh, yeah, it's
So
insufficient.
it's the second one, right?
It's gotta be, yeah, yeah. So it's the
Okay.
second one, yeah. So try that one. Somebody that hasn't submitted yet.
Okay. Did you get 15 right?
And nope, didn't get 17 right.
What about 15?
15 is right. Yep, 15 is not enough information.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay, so 18, we're just gonna get the margin of error. I could not find the F. So I'll resubmit it because I know, okay, so Jill, you ready for the answers? I'll just read them and then write them down to myself.
Oh, yeah.
So 2 is 3, or 3 is 2.
Okay.
4 is, make up something.
We got that wrong.
5 is 0.047 or 0.407. Sorry about that.
Right. Okay.
6 is 0.689.
6, 8, 9.
7 is the first one.
Okay.
8, we decided is the second. Is that
Yep.
right? Has anybody submitted
Yeah.
it and found out if it's right?
Which number?
8,
8 is the second. Yeah, the second one. That's right.
it is the second. Okay.
Yeah.
9 is N.
Okay.
10 is 0.001.
Okay.
11 is reject.
Okay.
12 is decrease.
Yep.
I'm writing it down. 13 is reject.
Okay.
14 is the third one.
Okay.
15 is not enough.
Right.
16 is 11.955.
11.95.
11.955.
955.
Yeah.
Okay.
17 is who knows. 18 is 5.303.
302.
303.
Oh, 3. Sorry, I can't hear you very good. 303. Okay.
And 19 is 18.607. That at least gives us a high B, right? To miss
Yeah.
2.
Well, it's a 90%. So.
Oh, is it? Worth it.
Yeah.
Redoing it.
So we still miss 2, I guess.
Yeah.
We missed
We'll
number
have to
4.
ask her about those.
I don't
4 and
know what we're doing wrong. Yeah.
When I submit the meeting, I'll ask her to clarify how to do 4 and 17.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank
Please.
you.
Maybe she could make a little video about it like she did before.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, girls, I gotta go, but thank
All right, see you
you.
later.
Okay. See you later.
Okay, bye.
Hi.